Welcome to Teaching Tips Today. Teaching can be wonderful, teaching can be fulfilling, but teaching can be hard work. Nobody ever said that it would be easy. We know that. As teachers, we need to take advantage of all the support that's available, and that's what this channel is about. The videos you'll find on this channel are based on the book I wrote called Teaching, What to Say and How to Say It, which contains 90 tried and tested behaviour management strategies presented to you as quick-fire scripting to ensure you always know exactly what to say and how to say it, to ensure success for both you and your students in the classroom. The book contains just some of the many behaviour strategies I've developed over the last 22 years of teaching in secondary education, including strategies I've used in many of the pastoral roles I've held over the years. Just find the area of teaching you need a strategy or tip or script for, then watch the video and learn from it. Simple. Use the strategy straight out of the box or modify it to suit your own style. When you're on the front line working with students, strategies need to work fast to accelerate our effectiveness from the get-go. The outcomes you'll gain from watching this series of videos will be improved communication and relationships with your students, better delivery of subject material with less resistance from interruptions and incidents, and last but certainly not least, what I'm best known for, the ability to inspire and motivate those hard-to-reach students that perhaps don't like your subject, don't like school, and previously didn't like you. I hope you get a lot out of this series. Good luck.